Hi everyone, I welcome you all to Sunya IS. Since the prelims result is out, we are here with a very beautiful and effective program for those who will be writing mains 2024. Before I proceed, let me tell you, you have something for those who shall be appearing for the 2025 attempt as well. Now, for those who are writing mains 2024, I request your utmost attention for the next few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, now each and every decision of yours will decide that whether you are making it or breaking it. Hence, your every decision should work in your favor, should work as if you are securing your seat in the interview. So please listen to me very carefully. Sir, in the Mark Dakshak program, where we are not charging you anything, we'll try to ensure that you have that hand which holds you strong in this journey of next 80 days. We will try to ensure that you are not going wrong in any point of the time, because we understand a simple fact that within this time you have that mental pressure of performing well in your mains examination. You have that mental pressure of completing your syllabus, not only of GS but of GS, essay, maybe your optional too. So, sir, with this program, each and every component of the program will add value to your mains preparation, will ensure that you are going in the right direction. And since this is free, you can have a bet on this program that we won't be misguiding you on any front. Okay, let's try to see the features of the program, and please try to understand the utility of all the features until the end. Sir and ma'am, the first feature of the program is personal mentor. As I already told you that your anxiety level during these 80 days will be very high, so you will have that strong hand which will hold you strong, which will help you in taking your decisions if you're stuck at any point of time. So in this program you will have a very highly qualified personal mentor who will guide you through. Now some of you may get a rank holder as your personal mentor, and some of you may get core team members of Sunya IS as your personal mentor. Very important. Now you can have a bet that these personal mentors will not have any incentive in selling you any sort of courses. Let me promise you, they will take a decision along with you in your favor. Okay, the second feature for this program is the enrichment sessions. This is very exclusive, and this is very much required for those who are writing mains. Now what we say as enrichment session, sir, for example, if you are writing an answer, now whenever you are writing an answer, sir, for the same answer for which you might be getting, let's say, 4 marks out of 10 marks, there is a high possibility that you are able to score even 5.5 or maybe 6, okay, if you are enriching your answers. So all those enrichment tools, be it data, be it examples, be it important judgments, be it case studies, be it best practices, be it committees and their recommendations, be it schemes, be it keywords, everything will be a part of 5-day-long sessions. These sessions will be conducted from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. and will be free for those who are writing mains this year. These 5 sessions will ensure that you are increasing your score way more than your competitors. And let me tell you, each and every mark matters in the mains examination. Okay, the third section is enrichment files. So for the same thing which we are doing in the class, for your multiple revisions, maybe at later point of time, you will be getting the enrichment files. You may have heard from many toppers like AI2, maybe other बहुत बड़ी लिस्ट है टॉपर्स की, those who are recommending Sunya IS as a as a very important part of their mains preparation. So the enrichment files of data, examples, etc. will be a part of this program. Now sir, other than this, we will be analyzing your copies. You might have heard, from many of your friends, from many of the toppers, from many of your mentors, that evaluation of the copies is something which is not, the mode of learning. You're writing answers, you're writing full length copies, you're getting them evaluated, but there should be some hand, there should be some guide who should be telling you what more can be done. बिकॉज समटाइम्स इवेल्यूशन से आपको पता नहीं चलता है कि एग्जैक्टली आपके आंसर राइटिंग में गैप क्या है. So we will try to find out the exact gap in your answer writing, whether it is in the structure, whether it is in the content, whether it is in the explanation part, whether it is in the value addition part, whether it is in the presentation, whether it is in the parts of the question where you understand the demand of the question. So where is that exact gap lying in your answer writing will be analyzed by the personal mentors. Okay, so the analysis of your copies will be the part of this program, and let me tell you, absolutely free. We are not charging anything, just for a simple reason that we want to keep those intentions very pure when we are guiding you through the mains preparation. That is the only objective, and the love and support which you have been giving us time and again is the motivation for this particular part. Now optional guidance, whatever optional is available at the Sunya IAS, we will be providing you guidance so that the gap in your optional preparation is not there. The same things almost which can be made available in the optional, we will try to make it available for you through faculties. They will be guiding you through the optional preparation. There is no course which is part of this, right? The faculties will be guiding you. Okay, you can do this, this should be changed in your copies and all those things, right? So don't think I may not purchase the course, or I have purchased the course and I'm getting it. Course is not a part under this program. This is something where you will get in touch with the faculties directly at Sunya IAS. And since the seats are limited in this program, please try to get yourself registered as soon as possible. Now how to join? Before this, let me tell you the extra benefits of this program. Some extra benefits of this program. Sir and ma'am, we will be guiding you time and again on how to avoid mistakes. At what time, what mistakes you have to avoid, and that is where you will bridge the gap. For that, please listen to me very carefully. We will be making a dedicated Telegram channel. Now this dedicated Telegram channel, sir, this same channel will be used to post the content, to send the notification, and very important, it's not only from Sunya IAS what we will be posting here in this channel. Be it any other source, if it is important for your mains preparation, if it is adding value in your mains preparation, we will be posting all such files, all such messages, everything in this channel for those who are preparing for the mains. Maybe if you are having your optional, maybe if you are having your something like that, whatever we can do for you, we will try to route everything through this channel. Okay, now there will be some sessions on brainstorming and structuring. For many of you, sir, this is a case that you are aware or you have information about the syllabus points, but whenever you are trying to write the answers, those points are not coming automatically. So what are those 18 to 20 types of structures through which you can funnel your information so that you can recall them automatically, will be the part of these sessions, and these will be started very soon. Then there will be sessions on advanced answer writing. I'm not talking about basics of answer writing. That is something you may find in YouTube channel or maybe some other courses. We will talk about ultimate advanced answer writing sessions through topper copies, the art of making that template of answer writing. That how should your answer look like when you're writing the answers, how you should be automatically fetching the introduction and conclusions, how you should be automatically fetching the dimensions in the question. देखिए 80 दिन बचे हैं, आप सब कुछ नहीं पढ़ सकते, ये शायद आपने प्रीलिम्स में भी रियलाइज कर लिया होगा, बट जो आपने पढ़ रखा है अगर मैं उसको ही फनल कर पाऊं, अगर मैं उसको ही अच्छे से रिकॉल कर पाऊं, अगर मैं उसको ही अच्छे से स्ट्रेंथन कर पाऊं, तो मैं ये एग्जाम को आसानी से निकाल सकता हूं। मैं ये इसलिए बोल रहा हूं बिकॉज सर एंड मैम, द आइडिया ऑफ दिस एग्जाम इज नॉट परफेक्शन, रेदर दिस एग्जाम डिमांड्स यू टू बी मेडियोकर। अरे 50% लाने वाला भी टॉप कर देता है इस एग्जाम में। तो you just need to back yourself up, hold the hand of your mentor and keep going so that you are not doing any mistake. And let me tell you sir, there are so many babajis right now, they will be popping up. So we want you to get some safe space. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल जस्ट इटरेट सम ऑफ द मिस्टेक्स कि सिर्फ PYQs कर लो आपका एग्जाम हो जाएगा, सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज लगा लो आपका एग्जाम हो जाएगा। अरे देयर आर लूप होल्स, तो योर मेंटर विल बी गाइडिंग यू कि ओके दीज आर द 80 days, practically speaking you should be doing these four things because you don't have that experience, sometimes minds mental state ki practically what will the future let's say course of action कि मैं कितना कर पाऊंगा. So your mental will be guiding you, okay, this is something which is optimum and you will be able to do it, and this will make sure that you are plugging all your loopholes in the preparation. Okay. So this advanced answer writing we will be having, believe me, it will be through the toppers copies. It will decode everything like anything. I promise you. Now important topic listing. We will be sending all these things in your channels, all enrichment files in your channel, everything, okay, will be routed through the channel. So this important topic listing, sir, here we will be notifying that what are the important topics from the mains perspective, and if possible, we will be dropping the entire mains articles also for those topics in your channel. Let's say write against climate change is an important topic for this year, so we'll get that article dropped in your channel. Let's say the 105 106 amendment wala bill or act is important, so we'll get that entire topic in the mains oriented format. sunne aaya iska content, right? If you're reading it, you don't need anything else, so we will get it done in your channels. So this will be there in your channel, sir. Important pre-oriented mains topics. Now before I proceed to this, when you're writing mains, sir, there are 4 types of questions. For example, total 20 questions are there. 4 types of questions are there when you're writing mains. First is your direct questions, almost 12 to 14 in number, 10 to 14 you can say. Then interlinked questions, sir. For example, examiner has linked poverty with the hunger, or maybe poverty with the population, or maybe poverty with the inequality. So these are interlinked questions, and you will find almost 4 to 6 such questions which are interlinked in nature. Apart from this, sir, you are having some questions which are factual in nature. Factual, for example, UPSC will ask factual. UPSC will ask, let's say, features of some scheme, or maybe outcomes of some conference. So those questions I term as factual and are pre-oriented and are derived from pre-oriented topics. So what are all those important topics which you should know for this mains? We'll compile a file for that, and that will be posted in your channel. And let me tell you, sir, in almost all the papers, you will find 2 questions which are factual in nature. I cannot promise from the GS1 that I will be able to bridge the gap. Let me tell you very humbly, very practically. But in GS2 and GS3, we will do our best efforts to ensure that we are tackling all these factual questions through the file. So, sir, almost let's say 2 questions are there which are of this nature. And the 4th category is bouncer questions. Almost 2 questions you will find in the exam for which आपको हवा ही नहीं है क्या लिखना है. This we will tackle in the advanced answer writing sessions part of this program, and this we will tackle through the file. For this and this I will take a separate session how to go about it. Okay, and please Do not make the mistakes like PT 465 565 से सिर्फ हो जाता है मेंस, है ना, प्लीज, अदरवाइज कहीं ना कहीं यू विल बी स्ट्रगलिंग इन द आंसर राइटिंग एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, ठीक है. तो be regular, be attentive in whatever is going through that channel, so that you are in sync, you are on the right path, and be in touch with your personal mentor whosoever is assigned to you. It will take some days, maybe 2 days or maybe 3 days, but you will get a call from your personal mentor. Okay. And please, if you have hold that hand, just listen to him or her. If you don't believe him or her, you can do whatever you want to do. But if you have the faith in that person, whosoever is calling you, whosoever is guiding you, then please listen to him or her. Okay, that is the first requirement. Now let's come to the other features of the course, sir. This I have told you will be dropped as a file from time to time. Most important feature of this program is you don't understand what is required in order to clear this exam. Some of you only run behind the answer writing. That is just the practice wala part. Some of you just run behind the content. That is content. Some of you are just doing the random revisions. So there is some ecosystem which you have to create for the mains preparation, sir. And the ecosystem is of art of answer writing first, with the basic content which you know. Okay, and we will prove this in our sessions. From that content itself you can learn this art of answer writing. Apart from it, you should know the content for the mains, right? This is important. Kitne bhi courses kar lena, but if you don't have that content with you, it would be hard for you to revise again and again. The third component of this mains preparation, revisions. The better you revise, the better you recall, and the better write your final points, and the better you get marks, the better you get rank. Simple. Then we have the enrichment, sir. This is something which will push you from 10 to 4 marks, but enrichment will add 1 mark or maybe 1.5 marks each to your questions, and that is where the toppers make the difference. Then that is where you will insulate yourself from the interview का score. मेंस को ही इतना खींच दो कि इंटरव्यू का कोई इम्पैक्ट ही ना आए आपकी रैंक पे, ठीक है, एंड विल ट्राई टू डू इट. देन सर द लास्ट कंपोनेंट कम्स इज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. Now I have already told you, either you are ignoring all of it or you are ignoring the practice. So we will see how we have to integrate everything, so that we are going very strong in this preparation of mains. Okay, along with optional, I have avoided optional there, so please write optional also, and along with optional, so you need to integrate all of it. Now I hope that is visible. If not, I've guided you through. So if you want to join, you can scan the QR code. I mean, you can pause the video and scan the QR code, or else, sir, there's a link in the description. The same link we have put in the description of this video, or maybe in the first comment of the video. Okay, just go through it, open the form, seats are limited, get yourself in. Now, what about 2025 ka aspirants? Sir, we understand that the time is tough. We understand that sometimes the day is not in the favor. We understand that maybe there were some mistakes which we might have done either on the exam day or on the or in the preparation phase. What you people will do, you will find a form in the description for 2025. Do not fill the wrong form, so that it will create an issue for you and us as well. Please do not fill the wrong form. Fill your form which is aside 2025. Now, when you are filling that form, sir, you will find a space where we want you to write your mistakes. If there was none, you find you went perfectly for the prelims and entire preparation phase, keep it blank, or maybe write I was perfect. So please do that analysis. Ki what went wrong on the day of the exam, what went wrong in the preparation phase, and then you will get a call either from a rank holder or from someone who is a core team member of Sunya IAS, and we will talk one to one. We'll try to understand the issues in all the phases, all the parts of the examination process. wherever you went wrong, and we will try to guide you as far as we can. Okay, so please fill the form given in the description. And lastly, thank you. See you in the mains mentorship batch 2024 के aspirants, and let's try to connect 2025 वाला people as well, so that we do not repeat the mistakes. We are on the right path and we are holding the right hand very importantly. See you. Thank you.